Everyone, I'm back with another counting worksheet. So, count how many stars are there and color the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, there are 11 stars. You need to color this. And how many diamonds are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So count accordingly and color the number 9. How many spirals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to color number 7. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So color number 8. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So where is number 13? Here. We need to color number 13. How many hearts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is number 6? Here. This is the simple worksheet. Thank you.